on the air. Now. Hey guys, this is NBCF626, and today we're gonna rant on Woodpecker for 2018. But if you like this reboot, I respect your opinion as long as you respect mine. So let's get started with the rant. Woodpecker for 2018? More like Crappy Woodpecker for 2155. Oh my gosh, this show stinks. This reboot ruined the original Woody Woodpecker, which was way better than this. This reboot is about a stupid woodpecker named Woody, which is the reboot one. The animation is bad. The theme song is rebooted and stupid. The credits are boring, and the characters ruined the original Woody Woodpecker characters. Woody Woodpecker for 2018 stinks. So does Rainbow Butterfly Unicorn Kitty. Shark Puppet is 1,100 billion times 76, 5 times better than Woody Woodpecker for 2018. End of rant.